a short, stumpy funnel and a short, stumpy dome. The island of Sorghum is where you call home. Always ready, always willing to come and help. A little cheeky, but we know he always means well. From Ffarquhar Station to Brendan Docks, helping his engine friends shut the troublesome trucks. And when he's not doing that all the time, he's working on his own branch line. He is the number one. He is the number one. Tom is your number one. You are the number one. The world knows he's a really useful engine, making tracks to greater destinations. A shining blue streak of positivity. Since 1984 he's been a friend to you and me. When you hear his whistle coming down the line, you always know it's gonna be a good time. You'll get a smooth ride in any Clarabelle as he pulls you through the Sodor countryside. He knows he's not alone, he's got his friends right by his side. Edward, James, Henry, Gordon, Percy, and many more in sight. They're all united, stand together through the stormy weather. Steamy or diesel, yeah, it doesn't really matter. So top of Matt loves all his engines. He gave them numbers as a sign of affection. But there can only be one number one. Yeah, there can only be one.